Today we are going to learn about phase diagrams. The question of the day is, what are two ways you can change the phase of matter of a substance? Now we're going to be looking at phase diagrams, which track the phase and its changes at varying temperatures and pressures. So you can change the phase of matter by changing the temperature and the pressure. When a particular data point falls on a line, it indicates the phase change at that particular temperature and pressure. If it falls outside of the line, then it's going to be a single phase. Now, there is one special point on the line where all three phases exist at the same time. This is called the triple point. The phase can be changed by changing the temperature, the pressure, or both. Let's look at a generic phase diagram layout. Notice how you have the pressure on the left-hand side and you have the temperature on the bottom. Now, if we start here at low pressure, low temperature, we're going to have a gas. Low pressure, low temperature is a gas. And if you raise the pressure up to a certain point, that gas starts sublimating to form a solid. So this line here is the sublimation between gas and solid, or the deposition if you're going from high to low pressure, from solid to gas. So higher pressure is going to be solid. Now, let's say we're at a high pressure, low temperature, so we're at solid, and we start raising the temperature. Eventually, we get to this point where we're between solid and liquid. So we are we are melting our solid to make a liquid. And keep adding temperature, you'll get to liquid. So if you're going the opposite direction, this would be freezing. Now, if you're at high pressure, high temperature, and you start lowering the pressure, you'll get down to gas. But on the way, you have to pass through this line. So that point between liquid and gas. So you are boiling on this line. Or if you're going the opposite way, you wouldn't be boiling, you would be condensing. Now, there is this one spot here in the middle called the triple point, like we said. This is the point where all three phases exist at the same time. So from here, you can lower the pressure to get solid. You could lower the temperature to get gas. You could raise the temperature to get liquid, or you could raise the pressure to get solid. This is a summary of all the phase changes that can occur.